So starting out, make sure that you have your image the correct size so you can crop it if you need to. But remember that there's the set size of canvases, so go back to the website to double check those sizes. Right now mine is set to 12 by 8, which is good. And then I'm going to grab the selection tool and make sure that auto select is unchecked, and then check the button that says show transform controls. So you'll probably have to go back and change that. So uncheck auto and check show transform controls. And then what you're going to do is change the size of your canvas. So I'm going to go up to image, canvas size, and then I'm going to add 2 inches to each of my numbers here. So 14 by 10. And when I hit OK, that's going to give me this border around the outside of my image. So that's telling me where the edge of my canvas is going to be when I go to fold the canvas around the stretchers. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate my image. So I'm clicking with 2 fingers on the photo, hitting OK, and that duplicates the photo so that you're able to click on the layer underneath and expand that up, expand that down to fill the edges of where your canvas is going to be. So instead of then expanding left and right, I'm going to duplicate my top layer again. So click with 2 fingers to duplicate and OK. That way I'm able to use that next layer to expand the sides left to right, because right now my horizon line does not line up and these do not line up as well. So I'm going to want to change that. So I'm going to start out on this top layer here. Oops. Going to find my original layer and I'm going to change the size. So I'm going to move that in. And then the layer above it, I'm going to bring left to right here. So now my horizon line is lined up, and these line up, these blades of grass here, we line up a lot better as well. And I'm going to hit the check button, and you'll want to go back in now with your paintbrush and blend these edges together. So keep blending out your painting here so that you're not able to see where any of those edges are.